Hey guys, this is Richard Price with High Tech Battery. Today we're going to be taking a look at charging the GBX155 jump starter. Out of the box, when it first arrives, it's going to be at 50% charge level, so you do need to charge it right out the gate. Now, another important factor for us is I have a lot of customers that reach out to us asking why their GBX155 isn't charging as fast as they think it should, and I'm going to show you why. It comes down to the charging block that you're going to use. First things first, let me show you how to properly charge the GBX155 and what it looks like. Out of the box, you're going to get two cables. This you can plug into your vehicle's auxiliary port and plug right into the GBX155. This is an extremely fast way to charge the GBX155 right here. It charges at about 60 watts, which is the fastest it will actually accept. Next is going to be a USB-C to USB-C cable. That requires a charging block. Okay, you need to use a charging block in order to plug the USB-C cable into the wall and then plug it into the GBX155. So I already have one plugged into the side. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like here. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the USB in/out port right here. Once it's plugged in, you'll start to see trailing lights here. Now, this unit is almost fully charged. You'll see the slow pulsing green light. How do you know if it's fully charged? When the GBX155 is fully charged, this green light will be solid and it will be the only light that's illuminated out of all four of these. So these three will be dark, this one will be solid green. Now another thing to note is I'm using a fast charger right now. I have this symbol right down here illuminated. That means that this GBX155 is taking in the maximum amount of power that it can. So this is the fastest charger available for this unit. And NOCO does sell that separately. It's called the AU65. Now, if I'm not using that particular charger, this is a representation of all the different charging blocks that are very common on the market right now and the charge times associated with those. You'll see the longest charge time is over 60 hours with a 2.5 watt block, and the shortest is at that 60 watt mark at just a little under 3 hours worth of charge time. That's the sweet spot. The higher the wattage of the block that you're using, the more amperage it puts out, the faster you're going to charge your GBX. So if you find yourself staring at your GBX155 and it's not moving off this 25 or 50% mark, and it's been a day, chances are you're using a very slow block, which is okay. It's not the end of the world. You just have to let it sit on there for a couple days in order to get to fully charged. Or you can go ahead and look through. Chances are you already have a charging block that's quicker, whether it's for your iPhone or your Samsung phone. Try using that instead, and it will get the job done much quicker for you. So if you have any questions, absolutely reach out to us and we'll get back to you ASAP.